Today is April 12. Look at this cherry blossom. It's fully. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. That's so beautiful. Wow. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. The time is 2:32 in the afternoon. Pauwi na ako. Dumaan lang ako dito. Wow. It's full blown now already. The cherry blossom. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Woohoo! Wow. That's full blown cherry blossom in Ballard area. Wow, that's wow. Oh, look at that. Grabe oh. Kaliwat kanan. Punong-puno. It's Saturday afternoon. April 12. Wow. That's wow. That's a lot. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Sarap paglakad-lakad dito.